Hi, I'm Margarita Bennett, clinical massage therapist and cranial sacral practitioner. And I'm slightly obsessed about the body, but we won't talk about that today. I wanted to basically find out or check with you guys whether you have been doing Peloton at home and suddenly your knees are starting to hurt. If that is the case, then what's happening is that you are not noticing or you're not aware of the weight distribution on your feet. So as you are pedaling, like so, you're putting the weight distribution on your body, either or your feet, kind of at an edge. When that happens, then what you're doing is you're causing the fascia, the connective tissue, to twist as you are cycling. That means that you are it's minuscule, but usually rather than aligning the knee with the hip and going straight ahead, like so, you are doing this very minor movement. And I'm going to exaggerate it. So as you are moving the pedal, you are rotating the knee out ever so slightly, which means that you're probably going to have really tight adductors, which means that you know they're going to look very nice. But it's going to be pulling at your knee and potentially your ankle. Okay, fascia is the connective tissue and you are 3D, so it doesn't just impact the outside, it impacts the inside of the muscle. And by impacting the inside, you can start having the layers that are twisting in a certain way. So if we're aware of how they're twisting, we can fix it. So for example, in clinic, you can do fascial unwinding, and that can help with pain in the knees and the elbows and the wrists and the shoulders. But if you can't get to a therapist, or if you're noticing that you go to a therapist but you're still in pain, then change the way that you are using your legs when using your cycling Peloton situation. Because what happens is that we're at home, we're cycling, we're watching the telly, or we're using our phone, and we're not actually in the moment. We're not actually seeing what's happening to our body. And it's really important that we become aware of how we're utilizing our body and in what way. So I hope that's a very simple tip that you can keep in mind when you are cycling on your Peloton.